Hi guys, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry. Today we are going to learn about metallurgy. What is metallurgy? The metal which you are going to extract by using various methodology means the method of extraction of metals from their ores. Means by using various methodology you are going to extract metals by using different methodology, that is called metallurgy. Then what is, so naturally metals it cannot obtain in the form of pure state. It is available in the form of ores. What do you mean by ore? Ore is an impure form, means it contains 95% metal and 5% impurities. Means 5% impurities. 95% pure means indirectly what is ore? Means profitably extracted. Means that metals which are extract means the metals can be profitably extracted is known as ores. Means the minerals from which metals can be profitably extracted is known as ore. Means it contains 95% less expenditure, more profit. That is called ore. Then another terminology, what is mineral? What is mineral? Mineral is nothing but a compound of metal which occur in nature with other materials such as sand, clay, rock. They are known as, that impurities are known as minerals. So here generally metals cannot obtain in the earth crust. They combine with other impurities. Suppose for example you take cuprite, that is Cu2O. This is copper ore. Means it cannot obtain in the form of pure state. It is combined with oxygen to form the respective oxide. This is cuprite. Suppose you take zincite, that is ZnO. This is also zinc ore. Zinc we cannot collect directly. It is combined with oxygen to form the respective oxides. Similarly, cuprite is also, it is not available, copper it does not available in the form of oxides. So they combine with oxygen to form the respective oxides. Similarly, suppose for you take horn silver, that is AgCl, means it does not obtain in the form of silver, it can be obtained in the form of halides. So that is why here what happened, these are what ores of the respective metals. Ore is nothing but they combine with the other impurities. You are going to collect. It contains 95% of metal, only 5% of impurity. Profitably extracted of metals from their ores. And here what is minerals? They combine with other materials, means impurities such as sand, clay and rock. So they are known as minerals. This is known as ores and minerals. Okay, now we are enter into how you are going to extract the metals from their ores. Means you have to collect from their ores. Ore is there, okay, no problem. Ore is nothing but water. It contains 95% or 98%. Profitably extraction of metals from their ores. So how you are going to extract? Means different methodologies are there. What are they? Number 1, concentration of the ore. Number 2, extraction of crude metals. Number 3, purification or refining. Number 1, concentration of the ore. Number 2, extraction of the ore means you have to extraction means from the respective metals, crude metal, or it is nothing but it is also called crude metal or nothing but ore. Number 3, purification or refining. It is nothing but here what happened, you are going to extract. This is also known as dressing. So dressing, concentration of the ore or dressing, next extraction of the ore, it is nothing but this we can call it as what a extraction of metals from the crude. We can call it as crude metal, extraction of the metals, extraction of crude metals, we can say like this also, extraction of metals. It is nothing but extraction of metals from their ores, or you can say like this here, extraction of crude metals. You can say directly crude metals also. You can say like that. Here concentration of the ore, number 2 extraction of crude metals, and finally what a purification or refining of metals. Next here first we will go, these 3 processes are very important. First one is concentration or dressing of the ore. Number 2 extraction of the crude metals. Next number 3 what a purification or refining. These 3 processes are very important. Now we will go through each and every methodology, how you are going to extract the metals by using these 3 processes are very important. Number 1, concentration or you take dressing. How you are going to concentrate or dressing? So here the removal of unwanted impurities by mechanical or other physical process means you are going to remove you are going to do concentration. How you are going to do concentration? By the removal of unwanted impurities. Removal of unwanted impurities by mechanical or other physical properties, they are known as dressing or concentration of the ore. You are removing by using various methods, removal of unwanted impurities and by using various methodology. Number 1, so how you are going to remove these methodology, we'll go through that in next video. So here if you like చేయండి, share చేయండి, subscribe చేయండి and comment చేయండి. Thank you.